DJI just dropped the Osmo Action 5 Pro, and it's stirring things up in the action camera world. GoPro thought they had the spotlight with their Hero 13 Black, released just a few weeks ago. But now we've got a real showdown on our hands. Both cameras are targeting adventurers, content creators, and honestly, anyone who just loves capturing life's wildest moments. But here's the thing, they're not exactly the same. So let's break it down and see how these two stack up when it comes to image quality, user experience, reliability, and how well they fit into their own ecosystems. Alright, so first up, user experience. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is coming in slightly lighter, at 146 grams compared to the Hero 13 Black's 154 grams. Not a huge difference, but if you're holding it up for long shooting sessions, those extra grams start to matter. Plus, DJI's quick record feature kicks in super fast, in just 0.3 seconds. Compare that to GoPro's 3 seconds, and it feels like forever. Those seconds count, especially when you're trying to capture that perfect moment without missing a beat. And DJI threw us a curveball with the Action 5's water resistance. It can handle depths up to 20 meters, double what GoPro can manage at just 10 meters. And get this, no case required. Plus, they've even thrown in a depth gauge. Do you really need it for snorkeling in crystal clear waters? Probably not. But it's a cool feature if you're into diving or even just messing around underwater. The Osmo Action 5 can start and stop recording automatically when it hits the water. A small touch, but seriously handy. Now, battery life is another area where DJI flexes a bit. The Osmo Action 5 Pro packs a 1950 mAh battery, letting you shoot 4K at 30 FPS for over 210 minutes. The GoPro Hero 13 Black? That one maxes out at about 100 minutes for the same quality. It's a pretty big difference. Drop the resolution to 1080p, and the Osmo will last for 4 hours straight, while GoPro caps out at about 2.5 hours. What's the secret sauce here? Part of it is probably DJI's smarter, more efficient processor. The Osmo's processor uses 4nm tech, while GoPro's GP2 chip is still using 12. Smaller tech, bigger efficiency. Speaking of reliability, the Osmo Action 5 Pro doesn't just win on battery life. It's also better suited for tough environments. It can function in freezing conditions down to -20 degrees Celsius and as high as 45 degrees Celsius. GoPro's got a more limited range, from -10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. So, if you're planning some extreme adventures, like climbing a snowy mountain or hitting the desert, the DJI's got you covered. Alright, now let's talk image quality. The DJI Osmo Action 5 hits back once again with higher resolution, 40 megapixel to the GoPro's 27 megapixel. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also really shines in low light settings. It has high dynamic low light imaging at 4K at 60 FPS, which GoPro just doesn't offer. So if you're filming in dimly lit environments, the DJI is your go-to. It also comes with a color temperature sensor to ensure your colors stay true and consistent, even when the lighting changes. GoPro doesn't have that feature, so you might notice less accurate colors in different lighting conditions. By the way, if you're into detailed comparisons, Jordan Hetrick has done an awesome job showcasing low light conditions, underwater footage, slow motion, and more in his video. But before you head over there, stick around with us for a few more minutes. We've got plenty more to tell you. GoPro has always been known for its slow motion skills, and the Hero 13 Black doesn't disappoint. It can shoot up to 240 FPS in both 2.7K and Full HD, while the Osmo Action 5 is limited to 240 FPS only in Full HD. GoPro also tops out at 5.3K resolution, while DJI caps at 4K. So if you're someone who loves super high resolution for those ultra crisp shots, GoPro might have the edge here. Let's dive into modularity. GoPro's got the upper hand here with its ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic lens mods, along with a 4-pack of ND filters. These mods are super easy to swap out, and the Hero 13 Black even auto-detects which mod you've attached, adjusting the camera settings for you. DJI, on the other hand, keeps things simple with an optional pack of ND filters. So if you like to customize your camera for different situations, GoPro might be your best bet. Finally, let's chat about ecosystems. DJI knows how to play nice with its other gear. The Osmo Action 5 Pro pairs seamlessly with the DJI Mic 2 system, giving you top-notch audio quality with a 48 kHz sample rate. It also syncs with DJI drones, meaning you can match color modes between devices, creating smoother, more consistent footage. GoPro doesn't really have a comparable feature here, so if you're already in the DJI ecosystem, that's another point in their favor. So, whether you're planning to capture your next big adventure or just want a killer camera to vlog with, both of these action cams bring some serious heat. If you want better low-light performance and longer battery life, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is your guy. But if you're all about slow-mo, 5.3K resolution, and modularity, GoPro's Hero 13 Black might be the way to go. Well, that's it for this video. Hit that subscribe button and let us know which camera you're leaning towards. Hope to catch you in the next one.